ألم يأن للذين آمنوا أن تخشع قلوبهم لذكر الله ألم يأن للذين آمنوا أن تخشع قلوبهم لذكر الله وما نزل من الحق ولا يكونوا كالذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبل فطال عليهم الأمد فقست قلوبهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
So alongside studying medicine and now reaching the brain and behavior module, yeah, Allah is a madness. The technical jargon that one tries to understand from the vestibular nuclei to that of the arcuate fasciculus, they're just terms that actually make you sound smart, but in reality you just rope learning. And wallahi, don't get me wrong, I really enjoy seeing this sort of stuff, especially on that of real patients and even that of cadavers, as mad as that sounds. But in reality, this is the anatomy that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, and for us to be grateful over is something that can even be good deeds. And one thing that I enjoy even more is that of seeking knowledge. And the Masjid was basically breathing on Friday, Allahumma barik, when they were going through Usul al-Thalatha. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know that I advocate the class like a madman, but you honestly see brothers from all specs of life under one incentive, and that is coming closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala according to the Sunnah. And the fact that He didn't create us except for worship puts things definitely in His perspective. And upon the understanding of other verses in the Quran, you understand that knowledge is required to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as per the proof that is brought by Imam Bukhari in the chapter Bab Qabla al-Qawli wal-Amal. And the fact that friends and brothers from university, broskis from university, come straight to class, Allahumma barik, man, you see fourth year medics and mathematicians, accountants and so on and so forth. And for the people who optionally choose other than your religious brothers as friends, you honestly need to check how you value stuff. Oh, that's a bit mad. You know, on camera, wallahi, he actually looks dangerous. Hello, Eric. And don't get me wrong, there's definitely many chances to study on campus itself, places to wrestle, places where, inshallah ta'ala, you'll be able to chill with friends without any compromise to your deen. And some brothers honestly are sincere advisors. Their softness, gentleness, Allahumma barik, man. And many brothers as well, you can sit, speak about topics, but as soon as the camera comes out, you know that brothers are gonna stay quiet. And some of them you can even recite nasheed with. Wallah. Nice playing listen now.
There's a clip, yeah. There's a clip on TikTok, yeah. And what's it called? They're like, it was Abu Turab and Hadith, and he's like, someone commented and said, oh, there's a sister there. He's been clear. This is like crook, man. One more time, boys. سأقبل يا خالقي من جديد.
And then there's some which get gassed when the camera comes on, and also some that have a lovely recitation, but keep it so low-key.
وأنت حل بهذا البلد ووالد وما ولد لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا أيحسب أن لم يره أحد ألم نجعل له عينين ولسانا وشفتين وهديناه النجدين فلاقتحم العقبة وما أدراك ما العقبة فك رقبة أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة.
Get there, bro. If you want, I'll come refute you. I'll show them if you want.
فأخرج لهم عجلا جسدا له خوار فقالوا هذا إلهكم وإله موسى فنسي.
And being in London, there's so many classes that people can attend, and sometimes even great teachers come to that of the campus themselves. So, you know, we're upon ni'mah. Before we used to go to the classes, now the teachers are coming to us. We're chilling, yo. No face, no case. Is that you? Why is brothers acting so like act normal, man? Wallahi. And one of the take-homes of the week is when Ustad Jamal made us make a covenant in front of the camera that we'd complete Quran inshaAllah ta'ala. And I'll ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for tawfiq. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless every single one of you.
You have, right? Inshallah. Okay, you have to tell it to the camera. So you all have to say, we are going to memorize the Quran, inshaAllah, and you have to say it together. And it's going to be put on that camera. So if you don't memorize the Quran, we're going to show this video to everybody. So you tell them when you're ready, and then you have to.
Alright, bros. When you're ready, inshallah.
3, 2, 1.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Let's see this clear on the video.
خلوت بريبة في ظلمة والنفس داعية إلى الطغيان فاستحي من نظر الإله وقل لها إن الذي خلق الظلام يراني